Did you know a chili smaller than your pinky finger can set your mouth on fire and still heal your body? That's the magic of Bird Eye Chilli. Tiny in size, but a giant in flavor and health benefits. Hello friends, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are diving into the fairy world of bird eye chili farming. From how it grows to how you can profit from this little red dynamo that adds spark to every dish. Stay with me till the end. You'll love this journey. Bird eye chili, also called as Thai chili or Dhani, these small bright red chilies pack intense heat and rich flavor. Originating from Southeast Asia, they're now famous worldwide. They're loaded with capsaicin, the compound that boosts metabolism, relieves pain, and even fight infections. Bird eye chili loves the tropics warm, humid weather and plenty of sunshine. They thrive best in sandy loam soil, slightly acidic, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.8. Mix in organic compost before planting and your plants will thank you with higher yields. Start seeds in a nursery, let them grow for 4 to 6 weeks, then transplant with about 30 centimeter spacing. Water regularly but avoid waterlogging. These plants hate wet feet. Mulching helps lock in moisture and stop weeds. A boost of organic fertilizer every few weeks will keep them happy and productive. Like any crop, they face challenges, pests like aphids and whiteflies or diseases like leaf curl virus. But here's the good news. Natural solutions like neem oil sprays work wonders without harming the environment. In just 2 to 3 months after transplanting, your plants will gift you with fiery chilies. When they turn bright red, harvest by hand. Frequent picking encourages even more yield. Store them fresh, dry them, or turn them into a chili oil. Each option adds incredible value. And that's the fiery journey of bird eye chili farming. Small effort, big rewards. Whether you love spicy food or want a high demand cash crop, this little chili can be a game changer for farmers. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell for more farming insights with Discover Agriculture. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer mild or spicy chilies?